guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to achieve this look, stay tuned. The hair that I'm going to be using today is the Lulutress ready to use passion twist pack hair. I bought it in the length of 18 inches and in the color 1. And this is how the hair looks before I took it out the package. So just getting into it, I had already went ahead and started on the back of my hair. And this is how it looks. Just jumping into it, we're going to start by parting out the hair big enough for the braid. Taking my Eco Style curling gel and I'm applying it to the parts. And then we're just going to go ahead and make a box braid. Making it loose enough so you can create a loop for the hair to pull through. This is how it looks. And we're going to just go ahead and jump right on it. I'm going to be taking my finger and putting it through the braid just so I can create an opening for the hair to come through. Once it pulls through, it'll create a strand for the other hair to wrap over. And now we are going to wrap that hair over the strand as tightly as we can until there is no more hair left to wrap around it. Once you get to the bottom, you're just going to want to put the hair in between your palms and you're going to want to rub it together. I started the video towards the end once again because I just wanted to show you guys how sometimes the hair that you're wrapping around the strand will get shorter than the actual strand, and because I'm trying to save hair, I'm not going to just apply a new strand. I'm going to separate the hair so it can be even, so I can continue to keep wrapping around with no issue. And again, with the hair in between our palms, we're going to roll it together. And this is just how my ends came out using that method. And I'm just going to move up close so you guys can see how I'm wrapping it around. I'm consistently using my thumb, making the twist very tight. And please make sure it's tight and firm. The distressed look really comes from when you roll the hair in between your palms. And in this clip, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to gently unravel your hair. Our goal is just to not manipulate the hair too much and to not get it knotted. Once you get the hair to be separated, you're going to put your finger through the braid as if you're creating a loop and then push one of the pieces of hair through that loop. And in order to save hair, yes, I did separate the hair and using both of the pieces. So yes, I'm just doing that just to save hair, but if you want, you can. And also to make the hair thicker, if you want, you can put both of the pieces through the loop. I'm just going to be moving up very closely so you guys can just see it up close. I'm wrapping it around the hair very tightly and how I'm using my thumb throughout the whole process. Once again, I'll be gently separating the hair when I don't have any more to wrap around, so I'm able to continue wrapping with no issue. Now that I've finally reached the last 2 twists, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how my natural hair is a different color from the twist and how it's still showing. If you do happen to have that issue, you can always buy some hair tint spray. The brand L'Oreal is the one that I use, but you can always buy some hair tint spray just to match the color of the hair that you're using. and you'll see me still wrapping, separating, and wrapping again. So now that we are finished with the twisting, I'm going to apply my olive oil mousse. And I'm also going to be applying it throughout the hair all the way till the bottom. I'm going ahead, turning around just to show you guys the back. Now for my baby hairs, I'm going to be using the same olive oil mousse. I'm going to be applying it to my edges. And again, you guys know you guys don't have to use what I use specifically. You guys can use gel or water, whatever you use to hold your edges down. The mousse for me just helps to harden the edges so it can stay. And to style my baby hair, I'm going to be using an edge brush. When I tell y'all, it took me almost 2.5 days to do this hairstyle, but it was so worth it. I can't wait to do an update. I can't wait to do little styles. Oh my god, it was so worth it. And my goddesses, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I upload.